Would you like to enhance your Facebook Messenger conversation with personalized AI emojis? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make AI emojis in Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Initially launch the Messenger app and select any chat you want to send the emoji in. Tap the smiley face icon next to the message bar to open the emoji menu. Choose the first sticker icon to access a wide range of stickers. Then type a word or a phrase in the search bar. Then tap on the arrow. The AI will generate a sticker based on your input. Browse the generated sticker and tap on the one you want to send. That concludes the process. You are now ready to share AI-generated emojis in your Messenger chats. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.